Hello friends, and today we're going to make this tricky little shape, and yeah, let's start from size. It's like 40 by 80 centimeters. Let's start from the central one, make it like this. What's next? Good question. Offset, of course. We are doing the offset and we making it like this. This part here. Move it over here a little bit. Yes, I think we should offset it first. And second, we should move it. Yeah. Okay, Shift D and move it to the center. Yeah, somewhere here. Now we need this ellipse here, the same offset. And we need these tricksters here. Let's create one here. This is going to be our first one, 2.794. Yeah, let's do another one here. Drop it like this. And these guys are going not in the same direction. Let me just show you a little. Switch to control points. Good. And let me move this one here. SV, put it here and make it smaller. Yeah, I think this one is 5 point blah blah blah. Okay, let's do it over here. F dimension 5.5 88. Oh, so that's what's wrong. G V, can I get it here and can I snap it? Yes, I can. And here is the same problem, I guess. Yes. GV, let me snap it here, Y axis, and yeah, let's snap it to this thing. It should be 3-point circle. Let's try 1, 2, and let's do a third one here. Good. So what's next? You will ask me, and I'll tell you. We are going to do this thing. We are going to make it something like 3 millimeters. Perfect. I need to do it over here, and I need to do that on the center line over here. And now I can try, can I just, yes, I can do that. Let me just rise it somewhere here, and let me just take this, and let's do C, cut, apply X, and let's adjust it just a little bit, move it over here, so match this. Let's continue our journey over here. So I need this part and I need it to be flat. Let's do the same trick with this thing. C, X, perfect. And let's drop it to the top, maybe like this. And I also need to drop some here, I think, yes. And drop it somewhere here. I think somewhere over here. Make this one and match it. F, match face with this thing. And I also want to match face with this bad boy. Yeah, let me just create this stuff here. And let me select this, and do F, match face, and select this. The only thing I don't like is that it's made it with this. Can I just, yes I can. Perfect, perfection, love it. I think I can merge. It's not a big deal here. It won't be a big math if I do it. Okay, and let's do Alt X on this side, Q, merge it, and let's take this. I think we definitely should do extrude and extrude it here. Just Q, merge it, and let's also cut this one like that. C, boom, boom, X, just to have this nice circle here. Yep, I think something like this. Let's drop this guy on the same level, and this is our guide. We want to do this thing. Let me just drop it to the ground, Alt H, and let's F, match. What? What's wrong with that? too much, I think. What's wrong with that? It's just because, yeah, I need to cut it a little bit over here and here. Let's just alt X it to this side, merge it, and now it should work. F, match, and select it. No, it for some reason makes it too big. Not sure why. Okay, let's apply it, and let's just take this. Now what, I can hide this guy, I can take this thing, I can do a C, cut, apply, and I need this for some reason, and I will delete this just like that. Alt H, good. And now I can boolean it, or I can try to match face it. Why not? Let's try to match face. Okay, Alt H, F, match face, and select this. Good. This one is worked. Sometimes it doesn't work. It's not a big deal. We always have our booleans. If it doesn't work, boolean it. It will do the magic. And let's, yeah, definitely, why I can't merge it. Let's do the alt text, Q, merge it. Let me just quickly try something. Just move it over here. Let me do a alt H. Let's F, match face, and drop it here. Maybe now it will work. Yes. Okay, so sometimes it just can give you nuts. So to finish this octopus, let's drive, I don't know, I think it's octopus. It reminds me about octopus. Let's just make this one like this. Yes, these guys should be something like this. Actually, I forgot. F, redundant topology. Let's just drop it here. And let's do the same over here. Press E and extrude. That's pretty good. First thing first, let's cut this guy down. See, cut it. Let's make it a little bit bigger, like this. I need it somewhere here. Yes, yes, something like this should work. Okay, let me select it, Shift C. Good. And let's do the same thing here to cut it like this. Shift C. Good. X. Join it. Okay, let's just make it like this. Move it here and match it with the center. Get a little bit smaller. Give me that one. And let's put it here. Over here. And now let's make this. F, match face. Yeah, that's work. F, match face. Good. Let's create the offset out of this one. We need to make it somewhere here. F, complete edge. Perfect. Very good instrument. Okay, let's Shift X this thing and let's Shift J this. And let's F, redundant topology. A little bit chubby here. We can try to redo it just a little bit smoother. Isolate it. Let's try to rebuild it. Think maybe like this. Yes. Yeah, I think already looks better. Let's try it. Just drop it here. F, match here. That one also a little bit lower. F, match, and select this one. Offset this one. And let's drop it somewhere here. And let's make this. And let's do the same thing. Just select this thing, F, match face, and select this one. Good. Or maybe I just can do this. That's good. Let's just bevel these things too. can I do a full? Yeah, perfect. Okay, so what's next? Next, I definitely need to drop this thing over here, and it will follow it perfectly. Nice, love it. Can I match it actually? F, match face, and drop it here. Now I need to alt exit, make a free one, and drop it here, QQ. And if we are lucky enough, let's try to do this. Yes, we are lucky enough. Let's select this, QQ, merge them, Alt X to the other side. And let's also cut this pretty bad boys. Now I actually think it's something like this. Central point arch. Yes, like boom, boom, boom. And let me Alt exit. Free here. Oh, just like this. Good. And let's just Boolean it out. Okay, select this, Q, apply, Alt X, left side, Q, merge. And the last thing, but not the least, we need to bevel it out. Move it to the center, absolute center, good. F, redundant topology. Let's try to make this. Okay, good. So this two should be like this, and this should be like this. Let's alt exit to the left side, and let's do this outer one, the big one. Conic. Let's do this conic. Good. Let's leave it like that. Shift X this thing. I will select this and do Shift B, bridge it. And I'm not sure that it should be G2. Let's keep the G1. Let's do loft. And let's take this and this as the guides. Good. Now let's join it together. Good. Let's delete this curve. Let's select this thing here. And let's just Shift J it. G1, G1. Not just like this one little thing. Let's just try it. Let's just give it a kiss. Control R. Like this. Yeah. Shift X. Let's try to merge them. Just, yeah, like this. And Shift J. One of the best. Shift J. Can I do G1 here? Nope. Nope. G0, G1, G1, G1. Let's try this. Yeah, this one is good. I like this one. Maybe I can just make this little thing there. Good. Alt X. Alt X. From here to here. Q. And let's Alt exit to the backside too. F. Redundant topology. Deleted. Nice. Perfect. Let me see in this crazy modes. Ugh. My head is aching when I see this type of shit. This was another crazy little shape. I hope you've done something much better than I. Stay healthy, stay tuned to the new videos, create new cool shapes, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!